A law banning folk from feeding seagulls could be introduced in Scotland if a newly launched campaign is successful. The call for tougher controls over bird numbers comes after a number of attacks on adults and children in Eyemouth and neighbouring villages along the border's coast. Community leaders are driving the proposals and legislation following meetings with the country's nature agency, Nature Scots. Berwickshire councillor James Anderson said this is a proportional, lawful and evidence-based step, and the public will have full opportunity to comment through a formal consultation. Changes to coastal habitats and a reduction in natural sources of food have been blamed for more and more gulls moving into built-up areas. Safer nesting and discarded human food are also considered to be factors in more birds settling in towns and villages. Although official counts have found that herring gulls numbers across Scotland have declined by more than 40% over the past 2 decades, the number of attacks has continued to rise. During 1 month in the summer of 2024, 7 children were attacked in separate incidents outside the Eyemouth food outlet. There have also been issues in nearby tourist destinations like Coldingham and St Abbs. SNP MSP Fergus Ewing has called for dangerous seagulls to be culled, and Tory Douglas Ross has held a debate in Holyrood about the problem of aggressive seagulls.
I've repeatedly warned the Scottish Government in this chamber that serious injury or fatality could arise from massive gulls swooping down on elderly and infants, even the consumption of seagull fishes causing horrific disease.
A targeted bylaw would give the council the tools it needs to address a long-standing problem and help move gulls back to their natural cliff habitats. Bylaws to criminalise the feeding of gulls have been introduced south of the border in parts of East Devon, North Yorkshire and Suffolk.